John and Rachel from the Jagoff podcast, and again here at the Lamont for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society fundraiser. It's Vegas on the Mon, and we have Jessica and Sarah here, right? Jessica? Woo! See, we're already gambling.
You got it right.
We're already gambling. All right, so tell us a little bit about your connection to the society.
Well, our youngest sister, Jackie, passed away from acute myeloid leukemia in 2005, so we're closely connected. We've raised over $50,000 since then for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, and we're really, really happy to be part of raising money for the AML Master Trial and to see so much progress made in the advancements for treatment in AML, and we only wish our sister could be here to see what's happening now as well.
And we've said to everybody that we've spoken to, cancer has affected so many people. It's just something that you hear about. Everybody has a story. I just think it's so amazing that you are brave enough to come here and kind of tell yours. Is that something that, all day, was it kind of like, we got to go do this? Or did you kind of get here and embrace it because the people seem so warm?
Well, it's hard, but Jackie has taught us she's always wanted to help people. She was a nurse by profession. And she's always embodied the spirit that she's wanted to help people, and we feel like she can't continue her mission of helping people through her clinical experience. So one of the ways we've kind of tried to carry on her legacy is to raise money and see that money really turn into something really that's going to benefit other patients and other people.
Absolutely, and that's the heartwarming story, I think, is what everybody's kind of reaching out and appreciating.
And I think it's interesting, those of us on the periphery, certainly cancer has touched so many different people, but those of us on the periphery, not directly involved, we don't know. Where is the money going? Is it helping? So you're testifying that the money is helping.
Yes, I think when our sister was diagnosed in 2013, at the time, it was a 25% survival rate for her type of cancer, and there were no new treatments for over 40 years. And just in the past year, we've seen a lot of publicity surrounding many new treatments. And so I look forward to seeing more news of treatments, and hopefully someday we'll be able to find cures for these diseases.
That's such a good point.
So go ahead.
Yeah, and I was going to say, so we kind of changed the mode, right? And we're happy that we're here because it is a positive movement forward. And people like you obviously bringing awareness, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. But isn't it a great night to kind of embrace and kind of say, listen, something bad happened, but we're doing something about it. So you see all these smiling faces because of what you're helping to contribute to.
Right. It's just kind of looking at things, and Jackie taught us how to look at things in the most positive light. Really, I mean, she just took every day and didn't say, why did this happen to me? She just tried to fight it, and she kept going and going. And I said, if she can do that, up against all the things she was up against, that I can do the little part that I can do.
So listen.
So are you gambling?
Yeah, right. So they.
Okay,
All right.
I'll go right now.
Here we go. So now comes a really tough question here. You have a choice. You have a choice here. Give her the choice.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready?
All right.
And you can each do it, or you could do it together, but don't get nervous, okay?
Yeah, there's strength in numbers.
Since it's kind of a Monte Carlo kind of thing, casino night, do you want to sing Poker Face by Lady Gaga? Yeah, that was a good one, right?
Yeah.
Or do you want to show us your best poker face? But you're sisters, and you're going to get into a competition, so I don't know what to tell you.
I know what we'll pick.
I'll sing.
Do it.
Do it!
Let's sing.
Okay,
Do
go.
it.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
You start. You know how.
Can read my poker face. You can read my poker face. Poker face.
It was a little bit like row your boat. You've been doing rounds of it, but at some point you were on the same page.
All right, so
Gotcha.
everybody just heard you sing. They heard you sing. They want to hear more, or they don't want to hear more. How do they donate to make that
We want
happen?
them to donate. That's right.
There's a link above.
Yes,
And why is it important that they donate?
because you really can make a difference. I know sometimes you are wondering where your money is going, but this organization is heavily involved in supporting the treatments. So it's time now. Right now we're on the verge of getting somewhere with this. So I think it's a great time to help.
Fantastic.
All right,
Thanks
thank
for your
you
time,
very much.
ladies.
We
We really
appreciate it.
appreciate it.